This is room 321, no it's not, it's 312, in the Saccharum in Madeira. It's a Savoy Signature hotel, and you come straight in the room into the bathroom. One sink, there's a toilet and bidet behind there, with a rattly sliding door, and a walk-in shower, quite big. You've got some wardrobes, and a big flat television, and a bed. Beautiful view on the balcony. And this one has a separate living room. Tea and coffee making, and a sofa. It's quite nice. Not sure why that's not the bedroom. And then you've got an ocean view from the balcony. Sun lounges. Nice view of Madeira. Beautiful view, and a beautiful withy.